Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking to track your workouts but also keep your wrist free? Well, if so, then you're gonna love these Apple Watch bands from Keepamor. So these bands are awesome because they allow you to wear your Apple Watch on either your ankle or your arm because they are adjustable and they have this nice wide strap that is really stretchy and super comfortable. So you can see this has a lot of give to it, and you can adjust these from 7.5 to 16.5 inches. So these are a one size fits all. And this also comes in a 2-pack, which is awesome. So I chose the pink and black because I have a pink Apple Watch, but it comes in a variety of options as well. So it's super simple to switch out the band, just like any other Apple Watch band. You just place it on your watch face and then you're ready to go. And they really move with your body. They're very comfortable, and they don't build up sweat behind them like the silicone bands do. So I just really like that. I was looking for bands like this because when I'm working out, sometimes I want to be able to wear a wrist strap for heavy weightlifting, or when I'm doing push-ups, sometimes that gets in the way, or even if I'm working with kettlebells and the kettlebell is going to be resting here on my forearm, I don't want it to hit my watch and damage it. So this is the perfect solution. I love that these are breathable, they're quick drying, they're easy to use and really comfortable, and they keep my wrist free and uninhibited while I am doing my workouts. And so I am super happy with these wristbands, and that is my point of view.